Hello, this is my third vending machine. So this is a toys only. So yeah. First that you need to do. So I will show you. I want to put it there. So yes. So this is the rules. I'm using a tissue of the boxes of tissues, and here are the rules. I'm sorry because it's not the. So here where you get your toys. So here I make a holes where I can see the toys, and I can put the toys here too. And here you need to push, then you can get the toys. This is the back. Say the back thing. So yeah, I'm using this. So yeah. So let's look. So first, you need the rules say put your money or coins here. These are his. So I will show you. First, I will put it coins. The coin say it's only 20 cents. So here, this is my 20 cents. I put here. Yeah. After that, push the stick there. Stick say there. Say. Yeah. So I will push it. Then I got this toys. I get a sponge. So I will show you again. First, put your but now I will show you using money. So yeah. So here you need to put, and then push the stick there. I will push it. So I will show you. See, there's nothing there. So I will push it. So yeah, I got this sponge too. So I got 2 of the sponge. So yeah, I will show you the bags. The bags is like this. So here where the money go. See. So yeah, so here the money, and here I make this because the toys is not there. So here where the sticks. See. See, if I put these toys here, so I will push it. Then the toys is faulty. So just that, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video.